previously. Well, I do have somewhere to go. It's a cliff. I'm gonna risk it. What's that? Your stuff cleaned me. Oh, the cleaner fell. Oh my god. Oh crap. It's only from right there. Gotta go. Where do I go? Can't hide here. Bubbles? No, that won't work. Come on. Where do I go? Well, it's coming again. Well, I don't know about this. Are you sure about this? Shall we go get him? Yes, of course. We're supposed to kill him, Dreadbear. Well, I will be waiting here because when they come, I can just easily grab him. Sure, Dreadbear. Stay right there. But okay. I guess I'm gonna do what he did. Jump off the cliff. There you are, Pickle. No. Oh. Ah. Okay, where did I go? Ow. Ow. You know it's pretty easy to get you down there. You know it's easy. Easy. Let me get you. Got you. Oh my god, help me. Dreadbear, we're ready. No. Cats are weird, and also they are pretty dumb. Well, at least I can stand. I have got you now. No, please. It's cats versus pickles. I have nothing left. Who cares? Please. No. No. Be on my team, please. Why should I? I said, why should I? You lost your arm. Is that arm? Hold up. He lost both of his arms. Ha, you dummy. Now you can't move. Now you have nothing on your body except part of your hand, your body, and your head. Oh my god. So weird to watch. Dreadbear being destroyed. And where's the kitty? Oh, he's still right there. I have to jump down again. It's so weird to just jump down. I mean, of course. Got you now. Nah! Ow! You hurt. Dreadbear. No, please. Yes, please. Ow! You will now. Dirty. Where should I go? Where should I go? I know who to ask. Do you know where I can go?
Yes. You know that?
Yes.
You could go in there and I could watch you.
Okay. Just tell the kitty that you don't know where he is. I will find you. Maybe this girl knows where he is, maybe. Because I don't see him. Hey. Do you know where that pickle guy is?
What's his name?
I don't know. It's just a pickle with a little crown thing on it.
Back in there, where you just were.
He's not in there.
Oh, I don't know.
Should I open this?
It has a lock code.
What's the code?
I'm not telling you.
Come on, tell me.
Nobody's in there. Except for my dog.
Except for your dog. Well, then I could just get a hammer. Got it. Do you want me to smash it or just do it the easy way? Easy or hard?
Easy.
Then you have to tell me the code for the easy word.
I'll type it in. Hang on, let me get that.
And if it's not right, then I'll break the walls and just come in myself.
Well, this isn't my house. This is my brother's playhouse, but
I don't care.
I know his password.
Just come on. What is it?
The door's over here.
Okay.
Ow.
Okay.
Okay, let me type in the code.
Okay, now can I get in? Yes, the door opened. Let's get in. Ugh. Any pickles in here? I told you not to. Hey, come back here. Smash. I told you the easy way or the hard way. Give me him.
No.
Dread Bear will kill you.
Who's the red bear?
Dread Bear.
Who's red?
Your mama. And let me have him.
Mama.
Let me have him. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Not letting anybody.
You're not letting anyone have him, eh? Well, then you can just die. You can just die. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, sorry. You become continued.